ఈ ప్రశ్న this is related to the professional courses, particularly the engineering courses and the future of the talented, hard-working students, Adhyaksha. Pradhananga, what the Honorable Member Akbaruddin just said, it is pertaining to the different syllabuses in JNTU, Osmania or say Kakatiya in our universities in the state. Secondly, the policy of detention. Third is the issue with regard to the number of credits per semester overall for the academic year. And the other most important thing is the average pass out of students that year. And the most important thing is advanced supplementary exam score to be given to the students and the readmission. Again, the readmission is again related to the fees reimbursement. Sir, to a very great extent, I welcome the suggestions given by the Honorable Member, sir, and particularly the regulatory powers of the university should be much more stringent and strong with regard to the autonomous universities. And with regard to the meeting to be conducted between the managements and the university authorities and the students, which is very essential to resolve several issues which have been raised by the Honorable Member, sir. Tvaralone, at the earliest, we will call for a meeting with the department, the concerned universities, the Vice Chancellor, the management and the students, and try to resolve the issue of the credits, the detention, the credits, and also the re-examination, the period of re-examination, and also the re-admission, re-examination, and also the issue of the fees reimbursement. These are the main issues, and this can be sorted out sitting across the table, and will very shortly call for meeting of the university, the department, as well as the management, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, at least I request, sir, that detention policy, suddenly it has been introduced, sir. Sir, it was not there earlier for 2-3 years, and this year they have suddenly introduced this, and many students were unaware of this detention policy, sir. उनको मालूम भी नहीं था कि अगर आप इतने क्रेडिट्स नहीं लाएंगे तो उनको डिटेन कर दिया जाएगा। तो मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है सर, एटलीस्ट ये साल के लिए ये डिटेंशन पॉलिसी को खत्म करके पूरी एक सिमिलर पॉलिसी अडॉप्ट करिए, चाहे जेएनटी हो, उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी हो, काकतिया हो, जो भी हो, हर जगह पे एक पॉलिसी बनाइए, एक रूल बनाइए और क्रेडिट्स भी एक करिए, सिलेबस को भी एक करिए। और सर इसमें बहुत सारे करेक्शंस है जो मैं अभी आपके जरिए बोला हूं, तो मीटिंग अगर बुला ली जाती है तो इससे करेक्शंस कर सकते हैं। लिहाजा इस साल के लिए डिटेंशन पॉलिसी को अगर सस्पेंड करेंगे तो बड़ी मेहरबानी होगी, बच्चों का फ्यूचर भी इससे बचेगा। सर
अध्यक्ष, ప్రధానమైన అంశము ఈ ప్రశ్నకు సంబంధించి ద మెయిన్ ఇష్యూ విత్ రిలేటెడ్ టు టుడేస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ ద పాలసీ, ద క్రెడిట్స్, ద సిలబస్, the detention, re-admission. So with regard to the policy of detention అనేది కొత్త కాదు, it is policy which is there in last 40 years, 50 years. But in between the universities are given relaxation. The request of the Honorable Member is that at least for this year the relaxation may be given. The government has in principle have taken a decision to relax for this year.